In this video, we are going to show you how to reboot your router. If you are having issues with your internet service at home, the very first thing you should try is to reboot your router, because in many cases, that will clear the issue and your service will start working normally. But how do you reboot your router? Well, let's look at this router first. Many of you have this model in your home, and we have it already turned around to see the back. There are two ways that you can reboot your router. First, you find the power button here on the back. The very first thing you'd want to do is push that button in to turn off your service. That right there turns off your router. Wait about 30 seconds and then push the button again. Give your service a minute or two to come back up and then try it and see if it works better then. The other thing you can do is unplug the power cord, which connects right below the power button. Simply unplug the power cord, wait approximately 30 seconds, plug the power cord back in, and after a minute or two, your internet service should be working fine. It works the same way in this other model as well of router. If you notice on the back here, there is a power button that you can push in to turn it off. Wait 30 seconds, and again, turn it back on by pushing it in. Wait 1 minute or 2 minutes, and then try your service again. Or, right next to that is where the power cord connects. Again, you could unplug it and wait 30 seconds and plug the power cord back in. If rebooting your router does not fix your internet issue, then please call our technical support at 877-882-6386. And for general questions, you can always call us at 800-421-5711. Thank you for watching this video. You can find more support videos here on our website at vtc.net. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you real soon.